Hello everyone, I am Dr. Nitin Dadarao Jadhav, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Veterinary Pharmacology and Toxicology. The Department of Veterinary Pharmacology and Toxicology have a well-established laboratory animal house registered with the CPCSCA. Friends, this laboratory animal house is basically the function of this animal house is to have the research of a PG and PhD students on this laboratory animal house. In laboratory animal house, we have the different strains of a rat, mice, and rabbit. In this laboratory animal house, we used to do the pharmacological trials as well as the toxicological trials. The toxicological studies will be conducted under the guidelines of an OECD, whereas the pharmacological studies will be conducted as per the protocol. The different departments which will be benefited with this laboratory animal house is the Department of Veterinary Microbiology, Department of Veterinary Pathology, then Department of Animal Biotechnology, and this animal house is also being used for the diagnosis of different cases like the toxicological cases in the large animals. So in this way, the laboratory animal house will be benefited for the College of Veterinary and Animal Sciences, Parbhani. This animal house is been registered with the CPCSCA for the breeding and research purpose. We also have the Institutional Animal Ethical Committee at the college level. We also work in the examination cell. In this new BCA pattern, the examination pattern for the undergraduate student, like for BVSC, it is 3 exam, internal 3 assessment exam, particularly at the end of 30% of the syllabus, 60% of the syllabus and 90% of the syllabus. So these are the 3 internal assessment exam, and best of it 2 will calculate the result of best of it 2 of this exam, and then at the end of the year we take the annual examination. As far as annual examination is concerned, we receive the question paper through the online mode from our university with the password protected, and that password will be received to the in charge examination cell. With that password, we will remove that particular password, we will take the printout, and then that particular question paper will be issued to the students. This is about the offline, when the students are there in the campus. But when the students are not there in the campus, at that time we will receive that particular paper through the university, we will remove that particular password, and again we will send that question paper at the particular time prescribed by the university to our students through the email. And after 3 hours, we will collect that particular answer sheet from the students from the same email ID to the exam cell's email ID. This is about the undergraduate examination. As far as post-graduation examination is concerned, we have the mid-exam at the mid of the semester, and at the end of the semester, we have the semester exam. In this pattern of semester, we used to conduct the examination for the postgraduate students, particularly for MSc as well as the PhD students of a different discipline under the veterinary field.